Good morning, USA, Canada. Good morning and welcome to the pre-market roar by Reliance Trading Academy. Girish here, trader, trainer and mentor. So let's begin. And even before the start of the analysis, let me wish you a very happy new week. I wish this week remains profitable, and I also wish that this pre-market roars contribute to your profits. So let me start with Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones has a resistance at 34,000. Okay, so Dow Jones, they have posted a resistance at 34,000. So the bounce that we got on last Friday, so it might further take it up maximum up to 34,000. Even like if I was trading, then I would wait for the price to come, or if I get an opportunity anywhere close to 34,000, I would enter a short trade in Dow Jones. And obviously then my next target would be 33,800 from 34,000, and further throughout this week I would expect it to continue falling, and my target would be 33,250, because I can see that the institutions have made provisions for the asset to fall as far below as 33,250. So I am, and I will be bearish. It looks like I will remain bearish throughout this week on Dow Jones. But when we talk about S&P 500, it is showing as if the markets will remain range bound. 4,100 will be the pivot for S&P 500, and it looks like it will spend most time close to 4,100. But if it starts falling along with Dow Jones, because Dow Jones is showing the negative symptoms, so if I get an opportunity to short sell anywhere close to 4,100, if it starts falling from there, then my further targets, obviously there is a support at 4,050, and if it continues falling down, then my lower targets can be 4,000 and 3,950 over a period of this week. Okay, so I'm still more bearish and less bullish on S&P 500 as well. Then TQQQ. Okay, so this is where I am bullish. As we discussed in previous pre-market roar also, it had a support close to 300. So if I get entry anywhere between this, like 298.5 to 300, I will place my stop loss below this low. So this low on Friday's low was 298.1. So I will like to place my stop loss below 298, maybe around 297 or 296 point something. Okay, I will place my stop loss below 298, and I will like to go long for the target of 305 to 305.5. And if I get entry at 305 or this range, if I get entry here, I will then reverse my position. I will book my profits in my long position first of all, and then I might also reverse my position, and I will expect it to again come down. About TQQQ, this is QQQ. About QQQ, I remember I had asked few questions, or I wanted my candidates to share what patterns they can identify here. Okay, so the patterns that I can identify here is, one is the megaphone pattern. Okay, so the prices are forming lower highs. Okay, and it is also forming a lower low. If you go to the smaller time frames, you might identify that this is the waveform that the price is forming. Okay, so this is called a bearish megaphone. Okay, this is the megaphone pattern that is being formed in QQQ. And the other pattern that I wanted you to identify, okay, is if you go to weekly charts, you will see that the price is making lower highs and higher lows. Okay, so it is an inside bar. Again, there is an inside bar. Okay, so if you try to join all these highs and lows, it is sort of forming a triangle. Okay, it is forming a triangle. Okay, so this is how I would like to plot it. Okay, you try to connect all the candles. This is how it will look like. So the price is forming this type of consolidation pattern, which looks like a triangle. So over the period of next few days, we can expect the price to remain range bound, and after around, you can say, in the first week of March, in the first week of March, we can get a breakout, and then we will get a very good opportunity to trade that breakout if it continues remaining in this triangle till then. Okay, if it breaks out of this triangle even before the first week of March, then we can still get a good breakout trade in triple Q. Okay, and today stock specific, I want to cover advanced micro devices. Okay, so advanced micro devices, if you see, this used to be resistance for AMD. Okay, this used to be resistance, and it worked as a resistance once, twice. Okay, and finally there was a breakout. So whenever the resistance is broken, we can expect it to work as a support, and after the breakout, it is for the first time that it had arrived in this range again. Okay, why it works like that? I do teach it in the course, the psychology and the idea behind it, why it actually works like that. So as of now, as if I check the options data, it has support near 77. So if I get entry anywhere in this box, the shaded one, let's say between 75.5 to 77, I will like to place my stop loss below 75. Okay, for the target, I will then expect a target of around 80.5 to 81.5. So I can go long in AMD if I get entry in this box, this one, between 75.5 to 77. So this will be a long opportunity for me. I will place my stop loss below 75, and I will expect the price to start moving up, and further I can, after reaching my first target, further I can extend my targets as well, because the data looks very bullish. So this is all about today's pre-market roar for US and Canadian markets. I hope you are enjoying this. So please, before leaving, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you want me to include any of your asset in the pre-market analysis, please feel free to mention the name in the comments. And for more information, you can also contact me on the number provided in the video. Thank you very much. Have a nice week ahead. Take care. Trade safe. Bye bye.